Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make image soft it's in publisher document. So get ready started. At first open your publisher document. In this video I will show make image soft it's. Now firstly going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for picture option. Now find your picture. Then click for choose a picture. Now click for picture, then click for insert option, that is. Then you show insert from picture in publisher document. This picture image soft is. Now going to the picture effect option, then click for the soft edge option, then choose from. Now I choose from 10 points, that is. Then again picture effect option, then click for a soft edge option, then click for a 15 points, that is. Then you show image soft edge in publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for